pass, pa, 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 pa. That is how football should play. Don't let your opponent predict you. Don't let your opponent read you 100%. No, the time that he's going to think otherwise, you change another option. The time your opponent is going to read you, you are already gone, putting the ball at the back of his net. But guys, I can't believe this. Look at Enzo Maresca. Look at Enzo Maresca's style of play. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. In fact, guys, I can't believe this. I can't believe that Enzo Maresca learned from Pep. Please, someone should tell me this is not true. Someone should tell me this is a big force, a big force, telling me that Enzo Maresca learned from Pep. Look at Pep tactics. Look at Pep's style of play. Prime Pep. The way and manner his players are moving the ball quickly, quick. The time that the opponent see the ball at the back of the net. But when we come to our Enzo Maresca, guys, his style of play is so slow. See, Enzo Maresca style of play, everybody can play it too. See, even if you are not a footballer and they put you on the pitch for Enzo Maresca to manage you or to play for Enzo, you can play. Because no energy, no aggressive. No. You just make sure that when you get the ball, you pass to your opponent and stand. Pass to the opponent and stand. Pass. Yes, that's slow passing, slow progression of football. No, see, in the Premier League, he can't survive. I'm telling you. So his slow way of playing football. If you want to stay long in Chelsea, yes, stay long in the Premier League, he must adapt things. Yes, if he's lucky and maybe next season he is with Chelsea, he must adapt things. He must change things. But this kind of slow way of passing football, slow way of playing football, it can't work in the Premier League. So that is why I said I can't believe he learned from Pep. No. Guys, look at Pep. Prime Pep. The 4 years he won the Premier. Look at his style of play. Bernardo Silva and co. Gundogan and co. Rodri and co. The way they were moving the ball. Quick pass, pa. That is how football should play. Don't let your opponent predict you. Don't let your opponent read you 100%. No, the time that he's going to think otherwise, you change another option. The time your opponent is going to read you, you are already gone, putting the ball at the back of his net. But guys, I can't believe this. Look at Enzo Maresca. Look at Enzo Maresca's style of play. Oh my God. What a Chelsea are we now having, guys? What a Chelsea are we now having? Clueless owners plus super Kulula Maresca. I'm telling you guys. So for me, this is my first reason why I think if Enzo Maresca doesn't change, Chelsea should sack him. Chelsea should sack him, guys. I'm telling you. And the second reason, guys, but before we move on, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief and motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button and smash the subscription button. And my second reason, I think Enzo Maresca must be sacked, guys, is player preference. Player preference. In fact, Enzo Maresca just had some players. He liked them no matter how the situation. Even if those players doesn't fit into his system, he will find a way and put them in his games. He may play them out of position, or he may play them in which they are not on form, in which other players are available who can do better than his darling boys. I'm telling you. See, as a big team manager, forget about player preference. Big team manager doesn't know player preference. As a big team manager, what you need is competition. What you need is resource, not picking some players as your darling ball. This is football. This is not about family issues. No. This is about people emotion. This is Chelsea. This is competition team. Enzo Maresca. This is competition team. You are not here to like someone and dislike. No. See, guys, wait and see. Next season, in the summer, Georgeson will want to go. Wait and see. Georgeson will be pushing because he is not getting the playing time. And it isn't that he is bad. Maresca is not being fair to Georgeson. Maresca is not being fair to some of our players. I'm telling you. See, look at all the billion mistakes Sanchez is making. Maresca still trusts Sanchez. Guys, I can't understand this. I keep on saying it, guys. Maresca is playing against you because how on earth you are starting a goalkeeper who is causing you harm upon harms? Still, you are starting him. Still, that means you don't want to win football games. And in any big team, if you want to compete, win titles, in fact, you must have a reliable goalkeeper. You must have a goalkeeper who will be there in terms of need. You must have a goalkeeper who will save you. See, look at all the big teams. Look at all the competitive teams recently. They all have a reliable goalkeeper. Look at Real Madrid with Courtois. Look at Liverpool with Alisson. If not because of Alisson, Liverpool, the first league, they will have scored something like 5 or 3-0 from PSG. As a big team, you must have a good goalkeeper, reliable goalkeeper who can make insane saves. Yes, good save upon good save. Not someone who is just diving for diving sake, unnecessary dive. And even our front line, Maresca has some players he just like, no matter the situation, whether they are playing good or they are playing bad, he will keep on starting them. See, football doesn't work that way. This is why some of us will like Thomas Tuchel. During the early days of Thomas Tuchel, see, it was looking like he made Hudson-Odoi as his darling ball. So it entered into Odoi man. Odoi felt that he was on top of the world. No. I can still remember Odoi didn't finish that game. He didn't end that game. Yes, he was brought in as a substitute. Thomas Tuchel substitute him out again. Yes, because as a player, make sure that you are playing to win, not playing your own football, just to entertain yourself, to make yourself happy. So no way. As a big team manager, you can't have player preference. You can't just pick some players, like them, pick some players and don't like them, don't like giving them play. No. Particularly young players as this our young team. No, don't let any player feel that he is on top of the world. With that him, you can't play as a manager. Forget that player will not be serious. Young players, play them or give them playing time according to their hard work. Make sure that any player who is going to play 90 minutes football really deserve it. Maybe he performed well in training, or maybe he performed well during the previous games. Then you use that and award him, give him the playing time. But don't just be using a player in which he's not playing well, he's not on form. You keep on playing him, No. He will feel that, okay, no matter how the situation, whether I improve or I don't improve as a player, my manager will still play me. Yes, we are human beings, psychological, he will be okay. He will not want to improve. But as a manager, managing young players, try to bring the best out of them. Yes, these our players are good too. We are not lucky we don't have a good manager, experienced man. Look at Hansi Flick at Barcelona. Last season, Barcelona, they were different. This season, Barcelona, different Barcelona. One of those teams who can win the Champions League. Nothing changed. Xavi Barcelona is the same Barcelona Hansi Flick is using. So sometimes it is about management, experience. So guys, Maresca preference on players, if he doesn't change it, we know Chelsea. We don't care. No. We'll sack you. I'm telling you. And let's come to the third point, guys. In fact, Maresca has losing mentality. Maresca has weak mentality. The mentality of Enzo Maresca is not a big team manager, a big team coach. No. Guys, can you believe that after our game against Arsenal, Enzo Maresca said the reason why Chelsea lost that game is that we didn't have Cole Palmer, we didn't have Madueke, and we didn't have Jackson. That we are not lucky our goal-scoring players were absent on that day. See a manager mentality, a manager man, guys, losing man. Anytime that Chelsea lose a football game, Enzo Maresca will come out with some silly excuses, some unnecessary excuses just to protect himself as a manager. No. Okay, you said we didn't have our goal-scoring players. Yes, that was true. Yes, Kopama wasn't there. Jackson Madueke, yes, they weren't there. Yes. And as a manager, why are you a manager? Like, go and look at the definition of a manager, Enzo Maresca. See, manager means trying to bring the best from your players, trying to change things to still get possible result. That is your work. That is why you are. Then everyone can be a coach. Everyone can be a manager. Yes, if a manager is just that, maybe get the best players or players who can score goals, assemble them, and then they will score on goals for you. Then all of us can be a manager. Chelsea should come and hire me. Chelsea should come for me. I can do better than Enzo Maresca. Yes, as a manager, Bring the best, even if your best players are not there. Make sure that you come out with a tactics which will still work no matter how your best players. We saw it in so many teams this season. No matter how the situation, whether Mbappe is there, Vinicius is there, who is there, you will see that team still playing their football, still winning football games. No. Yes, we know sometimes players, they are absent, affect, but Charlie, it shouldn't be like down or slow like this our Chelsea team. To some extent, our manager even saying it. He's not ashamed of himself as a manager. Bring the best out. See, Neto is there. Sancho, improve them, talk to them, encourage them. Yes, position them very well. Play them in their normal positions to get the best from them. But don't play players out of position with wrong tactics. Fight back against Arsenal. To do what? How can you win? How can you win? Which Arsenal do you fear? Because they scored that 7 goals against PSV, you are coming with a back five. We are Chelsea, we are not PSV, we are not Arsenal. No, we are not Manchester United. So guys, Enzo Maresca doesn't have winning mentality. Enzo Maresca doesn't have what? Winning mentality. He can't be Chelsea manager. He can't be a big team manager. No. The excuses are so many. As a big team manager, you don't come out with excuses. You come out with solutions. Yes, solution to problems. And as a loser, that is how losers think. For losers, anytime that they have an issue, they will not come out with a possible solution. They will be coming out with some silly excuses to back their ignorance, to back their disappointment. So that is the manager we have. That is the manager we have, Enzo Maresca, guys. And let's talk about this, our honest small guys. In fact, you see this, our honest. They have to understand that experience is part of football. Football is not all about signing 20 years, 19 years, 18 years, 17 years player, assemble them for money purpose or for their price to increase or your club to be worthy. No. Forget particular Premier League. You got to have experienced players in your team. See, any day that they remove experience from football or experience is being removed from football, the competition in football will reduce drastically. Experience cannot remove from football and can never remove from football. As I said, any day that experience is removed from football, forget, football is gone like that. You will not see competition from football again. We are not going to like football again. Experience is important in football to some extent that you still need those experienced players in your team, not for them to be starting games for you, but for the purpose of dressing room issues, for the purpose of your young players. Anytime that they feel discouraged, you have those guys around them, yes, to motivate them, to bring their mind back, to let them believe that they can still do it. Experience is crucial. For me, I call experienced players in modern football as mid-managers. They are just like managers. Yes, you need them in the dressing room, not even on the pitch. You need them on the bench and you need them on the dressing room, on the pitch. That is the importance of having experienced players. So our owner, they should know that next season in the summer or this summer coming, we want experienced centre back. We want experienced striker, goal scoring striker, and prolific striker. No. Signing 18 years, it can't work. It can't work unless they are trying to turn Chelsea to smaller team. Yes, for that one, it can work. But still competing at the highest level. This kind of 20 years guy you are signing every season, yeah, it will not work. The project will not work unless you blend it, unless you balance the project. Sign experienced players. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section on all what we discussed in this video. And please leave a comment and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.